Greetings, family, and welcome to American Math Medical. Liquid volumes, drops per milliliter. What is drops per milliliter? It's very simple. Let's dive in. If you look at this dropper, you'll see that they come in different sizes and there are different drops that equal the certain amount of milliliters. Here we have 1 milliliter. ml is an abbreviation for milliliter. Now, what is a milliliter? A milliliter is 1,000th of a liter. Milli in Roman times meant 1,000 paces, and that's where we get our word mile from. GTT is short for gutta, which is Latin, which was the Latin meaning for the word drop. So GTT is our drops, and ml is our milliliters. If we come out, we'll go to the bottom of the dropper, and we'll see that if we start at the bottom and count up, there are 10 drops in 1 milliliter. Count with me. 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops, 4 drops, 5 drops. We're halfway there. 0.5 milliliters is the same as 5 drops when there is a 10 drop to 1 milliliter drip factor. Now we have 6 drops, 7 drops, 8 drops, 9 drops, and 10 drops. 10 drops, or GTT, is the same as 1 milliliter. Now keep in mind that these drip factor ratios change, but one of the most commonly used is a 10 drop to 1 milliliter drip factor. That concludes our first lesson for American Math Medical liquid volume drop to milliliter ratio. Happy learning.